So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money online just by sending email. What's up guys, it's Ayub from ViralWhirl, and before you get started on watching this video, like I said on my previous videos, if you guys are interested in more affiliate marketing videos, videos on how you can build a business right on YouTube, a six-figure business right on YouTube, how I did the same thing, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do the same thing right on my second channel. I'm going to be posting videos there every other day, so it's going to be frequently, and you're going to see how you can do the exact same thing. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. It's right in the description if you haven't subscribed already. For the real people who've been watching me for long, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that second channel because it's going to be really good content on there. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how I've built my business right on YouTube with this ViralWhirl channel. I'm going to be showing you guys on that channel how I did that and how you could do the exact same thing with only having 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money by sending emails. So most of you guys probably do not have email lists, okay? You're going to be asking yourself, how would I make money by sending emails if I don't even have an email list? Well, the thing is, you don't need an email list to actually make money by sending emails. All you need to do is pay someone for solo ads. So what solo ads basically are you're paying people that have big lists. I'm talking about big ass lists of traffic, okay? They're gonna give you traffic, and they sell solo ads to people. So it depends on what kind of traffic you're getting, how good the quality is, which niche it's in, and the prices vary from 65 cents to 90 cents. It all depends on what kind of quality traffic you're getting. So like I said, you don't need to have 1,000 email subscribers. You don't need to have any email subscribers to do this. All you need to do is get an offer, which I'm going to show you how to do right now, and buy the traffic, buy the solo ads. And the solo ads are pretty cheap. So let me just show you an example. So this guy charges 59 cents, okay? 59 cents for 100 visitors. That's his minimum. So for 100 visitors, that's 62. Wait. Yeah, so for 100 visitors to whatever you're going to be promoting, he's charging $62. And that is pretty expensive. There's people that charge less. But like I said, it depends on the quality of traffic. If you want good traffic, you're obviously going to have to pay for more. But I'm going to show you guys how you can get the offer first and show you guys how this actually works, okay? So first things first, you're going to need an offer. And to get that offer, you can either go on ClickBank or go on OfferVault, okay? So OfferVault is just like a search engine which shows you multiple offers there are on various networks, and you're gonna have to sign up to that network if you like that offer. So with Udemy, okay, with Udemy, and with people on Udemy promoting their lists, most of these lists are in the internet marketing niche, or make money online niche, or BizOp, which is business opportunities, okay? That's what works best on here. I don't suggest you go and find an offer on weight loss and try promoting it on one of these lists. It's probably not going to work, okay? It's probably not going to work. Most of these people have lists of people who want to make money online, want to learn how to make money online, want business offers, business opportunities and all that, basically in the internet marketing niche. So you're going to need to find an offer that's based off the internet marketing niche or business opportunities. So you go on OfferVault. Let me show you OfferVault first, and then I'll show you ClickBank. Most of you guys already know ClickBank, but let me show you guys OfferVault. So for OfferVault, we're going to search for something that's in the internet marketing niche. So let's search for something that's internet marketing. In fact, let's just search business opportunities in general. Okay, so these are the different business opportunities. You can see they have Bitcoin, they have the CBD, the cannabis, and all that stuff, but we don't want to go for that. We want to go for something simple. The payout on these, you'll notice, is a lot, $550 a payout, $300, but these are harder to convert, okay? To convert people to pay up to towards $500 or $1,000, you're gonna need good marketing skills. You're going to need good marketing skills and really good traffic, and it's just not going to work out if you're a beginner, okay? This video is basically for beginners that I'm making, and I'm going to go for offers that are lower, okay? So within $10 to $15 or something like that. Let's try to find an offer within $10 to $15. Hold on. Let's go on the second page. Okay, so as you see, I searched for BizOp. I think I found a good one, okay? This is the 7-figure launch, okay? It has a payout at $55. I think this one can actually convert. Yeah, it looks like it can convert because look at the landing page. Let's look at the landing page. It looks like something that would actually convert. So I'm guessing this is $47. Yeah, $47, and then I'm guessing there's upsells, okay, because they give you more than $47. They give you $55 a sale. So if you get people to convert on this, you're gonna get $55. How you're gonna promote this offer is easy, okay? I have a simple marketing funnel that you guys can use. I'm gonna show you guys that marketing funnel right now. Like I said, you just find any offer that you want to promote. I suggest it's in the internet marketing or business opportunity niche, biz op, because Udemy, most of these people have traffic for making money online and biz op offers. So that's what you need. And I have a simple marketing funnel for you guys set up right here that I'm going to explain to you step by step. And obviously, I use the exact same funnel. I use the exact same funnel on my YouTube channel. But I have a little tweaks, but this is like a simple funnel. And like I said, on that second channel that I have in the description, go subscribe to it. On that channel, I'm going to be breaking down advanced funnels and the same funnels that I use in my business. So make sure you go subscribe. So with this funnel, it's a simple funnel, really simple. So you have an opt-in page. Opt-in pages, you can make it right on ClickFunnels. You sign up for ClickFunnels. You make an opt-in page. That opt-in page, you want to make it really simple, okay? You want to make it really simple. And before you get started on this, like a lot of people, what they mess up on when doing this, when buying solo ads, they go ahead, they sign up for an offer just like this. They say run offer. They go sign up for it. They join the network. They get the affiliate link for this offer, and they promote this page right here, this landing page. They promote that landing page and basically direct linking. Direct linking does not work, okay? Direct linking does not work. It used to work a long time ago, but direct linking does not work, okay? You're going to have a funnel just like this. You're going to have an opt-in page. You're going to have the thank you page, and then you link them to the offer. And even then, they probably won't buy, but they will buy in the back end, which I'm going to show you right now. So with the opt-in page, you're just going to have a simple headline, okay? Headline just like free ebook reveals secret to whatever. So this one, I'm guessing this is a 6-7 figure launch. It's showing people how to make money online, how to launch their product or whatever. Okay? And that's what you're going to do here. You're going to tell them free ebook reveals secret to launching a 7-figure course or 7-figure product or 7-figure whatever. 7 figures online. And then you're going to have a sub headline just explaining what you're going to give them in that ebook, short sentence, one sentence. And that ebook, you could get it online. You could write it up yourself, like a 2-page ebook. You can write it up yourself, or you can get it online. It doesn't always have to be an ebook. These freebies, these lead magnets can be ebooks. They can be videos. They could be email swipes if that's what you're doing. But I suggest you just do an ebook or a video, okay? A secret ebook or a video that people would put in their email to get, okay? And this opt-in, with this opt-in, you're using that to gather emails for yourself, okay? To get these emails, to get these people on your list, okay? You want to get your number one goal on Udemy and with this offer is to get people on your list, okay? Your number one goal is not to make sales off promoting on Udemy for the first time. That's not your goal, okay? Your goal is to get opt-in, okay? You want opt-ins. That's the most important part. So once they opt in, they go to the second step, and that's the thank you page. And the thank you page, you could just make a short video thanking them. Thank you for signing up to get this ebook. Thank you for signing up to get this ebook. In this ebook, this is what I'm going to show you. This I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you that. Whatever. And then they click on get ebook. And once they click on that, that's it. They're signed up to their list. I mean, once they click on the opt-in page, they're already signed up. But yeah, once they click that, they're going to get sent to the offer. Okay. And the offer is basically going to send them to this page right here. Again, I'm just using this as an example. You're not going to use this offer. This is just an example. And that's the offer page, okay? The offer page is this right here. So once they watch this video, I'm guessing they're going to send them to actually buy the product. That's what I'm guessing. So that's the offer page. And if you're lucky, and this offer actually converts really well through this video or whatever, if it converts, then people will buy right then and there. But most of the time, it's not going to convert right then and there. You're going to have to work on your back end. And that's what's going to make you the most amount of money. And that's what's going to make you the most sales, the back end. So the back end is right here. The back end, like I said before, we got their emails from this opt-in right here. And that's the most important part. And that's your number one goal here. Not to make sales, but to get opt-ins. And as long as you got opt-ins, you can send them emails, okay? Your first email that you're going to send them, you're going to have to space these emails, by the way, by a week or 5 days or 7 days. So your first email is going to be content. You're going to be sending them valuable content about what they signed up for. So if they signed up for how to make money online, you're going to be sending them valuable content on how to make money online for free, okay? You're going to have to do it for free because it's going to pay later on. Don't worry about that. Just send them valuable content on how to make money or whatever it is that they signed up for. Okay? So send them valuable content. The second email, again, send them valuable content, other methods that they could use to make money online or other methods that they could use within the internet marketing niche. And then the third email, you're going to hit them with that offer. So as long as they open email number 1 and email number 2 and the content that you provided for them was valuable and it helped them, they're obviously going to buy into the offer, okay? They're going to buy the offer. The offer, I think it's $47. Yeah, it's $47. I'm pretty sure it has upsells. But as long as you gave them valuable content here and here, they're going to buy through the offer, okay? Once they buy through the offer, you get that commission on the sale, okay? You get a commission, an affiliate commission. You get an affiliate commission, and if they don't buy, that's not a problem, okay? That's not a problem. You still have to convert them. Again, if they don't buy, you could send them to another list where you blast them with valuable content, and then you hit them with that offer again. And hopefully they'll buy. And there's other methods, advanced methods, where you could retarget them and everything else. But that's way too advanced. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're a beginner. Okay, you're a beginner to this, so you want to keep it as simple as possible. Opt-in page. You make the opt-in page with ClickFunnels, okay, and then the thank you page, and then the offer. You hit them with that offer, direct link to this. I mean, not direct link, but you hit them with that offer page, and then your back end. Just 5 simple emails or 6 simple emails with content. You want to do content, offer, content, offer, and keep going like that. Valuable content, then hit them with that offer. Like I said, it's really easy when you get the hang of it. On Udemy, you're going to find a lot of sellers. Make sure you go with sellers that have really good reviews. You're going to have to find, there is reviews. So, for example, this guy right here, he has Tier 1 traffic, okay? He has 80% plus Tier 1 traffic. So that means most of the traffic is coming from the U.S., and that's the type of traffic that you want. You want Tier 1 traffic from the U.S., the U.K., Australia, Canada, people who would actually buy. Okay, so as you can see, this guy, awesome opt-in rates. He got 3 sales. So he got 3 sales right off the rip, and that's really good. As you can see, a lot of people did get sales right off the rip, and even if you don't get sales, hey, that's good, okay? That's good as long as you're getting lots of opt-ins. This guy said he got lots of opt-ins. So as long as you get lots of opt-ins, that's really good for you because you're going to convert them yourself through the back end, through the emails. If you guys want more in-depth videos like how to set up ClickFunnels, how to set up your email autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber. I use GetResponse. Again, I'm going to be showing all that on my second channel. It's in the link in the description. Go ahead. Subscribe to that channel. Once I get to 100 subscribers on that channel, I'm going to start posting. I'm going to start posting like really good content just like this where I'll be showing you guys step by step from zero how to start your own campaign just like this from zero to start making $100 a day. And that's what I'm going to do on that channel. So like I said, guys, you could use either OfferVault or you could use ClickBank. Again, ClickBank, same thing. Just go for e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so let's go for e-business, e-marketing. And let's say we want to promote something like this. Okay, it looks like shit, but still. I'm just using this as an example. And you have to remember, most of these landing pages that look like shit actually convert really well. Okay, so like this page right here. Imagine we're promoting something like this. Okay, so we're promoting something like that, and all we have to do is basically sign up for ClickBank and then click promote, and then they're gonna give you your hop link, and then all you got to do is same thing. Go on ClickFunnels, make your own opt-in page, make your own thank you page, and then that offer page is gonna be the link they give you on ClickBank, which is gonna go to the offer. Most of the time, you're not gonna get sales on your front end, but your most amount of sales and the most amount of money you're going to make is in your back end, okay, with your email marketing. And you've probably heard people say that already. You've probably heard people say that most of your sales come from email marketing, and that is 100% true. When I first started doing this, I thought that was bullshit, okay? People were saying that the money is in the list, and I just didn't believe it. I thought it was bullshit. I thought no one even uses email anymore. But like I said, the back end is where you're going to make the most amount of money. If you guys have any questions on this, make sure you comment them down below. I'll get to them. Like I said, on my second channel, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of content like this, how to set up your own ClickFunnels opt-in page, how to set up your GetResponse autoresponder, not GetResponse, but any autoresponder, and how to make money through advanced funnels. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and that's it. Peace.